just want to say you guys that guys, I love you. Thanks for being part of my life. Thanks for watching my vlogs and thanks for joining me in my life adventure. I don't know when will I come back to Philippines, but I'm going to miss this place. So we are back at the hotel, and that's the hotel just in the front. And in front of that we have this area, sitting area. So we are just having a view of the sea, and my baby is playing here. The water is totally green and blue, and it is a cool breeze. It's like just 2 or 3 p.m. I haven't checked the time, and there was a castle here, but someone destroyed it. Now their far place, they are building a new castle there. So I'm going to go there once it's completed to click some pictures, and you can see all the boat sailing. It's an amazing experience. I have first time in my life has done snorkeling, and I also went under the Crystal Coves, and we also went to Puka Beach and over the sea. As I always love sea water, I always wanted to go, but I didn't do any sporting last time when I went to Phuket. But this time I was more courageous and wanted to try out something new, so that was amazing. Now it's just like post lunch evening time, so we are just relaxing, and later on let's see what plans we have. I heard that they have a bar, open bar here, the restaurant bar, so we can have this sea view dinner here, and if you want to have drinks as well as I think that's all for the day. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I think maybe I am just closing this vlog here because I just want to have some private time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be in Boracay tomorrow as well. Bye. Bye. So hey guys, I am at the beach. After that turn, I'm not able to walk properly. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm loving my life to death. I'm at the sea, and you know what, these braids, they are so pretty. I'm like, I just don't want to leave them. I think I'm gonna keep them for at least a week or 10 days or even more if I can, but I have to wash my hair. Anyways, just look at the beach. The water is amazing. And I got this swimsuit just sometime back at the beach itself, and I like it because just look at this, is one piece swimsuit, one piece swimsuit. So it is kind of like my style, not just only a bikini and a fancy one. Just look at this. And we are going to sit here, and you see at the back side there is going to be the sunset. We saw the sunset yesterday as well, and it looks very beautiful. The sunset is amazing. So we are going to have some drinks. My baby is playing at the beach with his beach toys with my husband. We ordered some drinks, and I just came for a walk at the beach and talk to you guys. I am so happy that my husband bought me here for the holiday, because you know, before I was really resistant to come, but actually I am very thankful to him that he bought us, me and my son, to holiday, because it's amazing experience and feeling. This is like once in a lifetime kind of experience. I don't know when will I come back to Philippines, but I'm going to miss this place. This is amazing, very beautiful, and you know, I have so many colors in my braid. So I'm just going back to the place to meet my husband. Yay. And I'm very tired. If you ask me honestly, I'm very tired because I have been walking throughout the island this morning for shopping and eating and exploring stuff. So that's why we want to relax now. got him pineapple drink, and he can eat fries. So it's almost sunset time, and my husband and my son are walking at the beach there. I'm just relaxing here. We finished our drinks and they are setting up the place for the dinner ambience. They had the fire show and live music performance last night. It was beautiful. So I'm actually planning to go and join my husband and my son to the beach walk because it's more relaxing. So I'm just going to keep my bag in the hotel room and probably join them. We are in the pool now and more drinks. This is called Hawaiian blue color drink with more fries because this is super delicious with extra chili sauce. And here is the pool. So that's my son, and that open room door is our room 105, just in front of the pool. So it's amazing. So we just got freshened up and now we are heading out for dinner. I'm so exhausted. I was so lazy to go out for dinner. But then my husband insisted that we should because it's very nice and romantic outside. So I just came out of my bed and it's so relaxing. It's so relaxing and such a nice cool breeze. Got my pasta. This is tasting so yummy, and this apple, what is this? This is lime. Oh, this lime, what's that? Apple crumble, yeah, that's much delicious. Oh my god, that's so yummy. They have the awesome chefs. They are making the drinks so amazing. Look at the ambience, I'm loving it. And I just got my large size pizza because my baby loves pizza. Just look at the commentary, man. Negative. So it's amazing. Oh my god, I just got the pizza. It's smelling so good. And here is the pasta, my favorite. And I have lime and apple crumble. We just got our dessert. What is it?
Sorry, man. But a feeling that I'm on, hey, hey, but a feeling I peaceful.
So I think I'm going to conclude this vlog here because it's sunset time and it's going to be night. And I just want to say you guys that I love you. Thanks for being part of my life. Thanks for watching my vlogs and thanks for joining me in my life adventures. I love you guys so much. You just don't know how much I love you. I cannot express in words. But you guys are more like my friends. Even though I'm not able to reply to all the messages that I get, but I try my best to reply to the maximum I can. If not immediately, but at least after a couple of days or weeks. But just thank you for everything. I'm blessed to have you guys in my life and this beautiful life that I have with my family. Bye. Thanks for watching.